Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to use coupon on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your device and then go to whatever item that you want to purchase, for example this one, and you need to proceed to checkout page. So let's pretend that I want to make an order, and here I want to scroll down to this section, promo codes. This is basically our coupons, so tap enter button and enter your coupon right here, and do not forget to tap apply button to activate your coupon. So that's it, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.